Dump truck fatally overturned at Arlong Chingkin, Koilamati, falling under Chokhela police station and Borpothar police station on Wednesday. On Wednesday, a dump truck loaded with bricks fatally overturned at Arlong Chingkin, Koilamati, falling under Chokhela police station and Borpothar police station. The area was prone to accident since the last 3 decades. An accident was frequent due to the extreme twists of the road. It was informed that the truck was on its way to deliver earthen bricks to Chokhela PHE when this incident occurred. The tire was punctured, which overturned the truck. 3 persons were critically injured and was immediately taken to Galaghat for treatment. So far, no loss of life had been reported. But the locals claim that the conditions of the victims are very critical and the assurance of the survival is unstable. Samsung Test report from Koilamati for Karbi Live.